Darkening Beard Balm. So this can be used in conjunction with the beard wash as well, just to give you that little bit of extra process to help speed up the process. So I just want to let you know, this one here again is sulfate free, chemical free, so it's very, very good for your beard and for the skin underneath as well. So you're not going to get any of these harsh chemicals that some products may have. So just looking at it now, it says it's got this vitamin E, keratin and collagen, just to help keep the softness in the beard. And the slight difference between the beard wash and this one here is this one keeps working continuously after you do the wash. So when you take it off, that says you basically lose about 70% of the color from that hair, but the other 30% was going to keep working continuously after you've used it. So this is got a really great product for that to help speed up the process here. Kind of hydrates the beard as well, gives you a little bit more kind of softness through the beard, and it stops it from drying out, which is great. So I'm just going to give you a very quick demonstration now on the beard. I haven't used this is the first time. So it says to kind of apply it into the palms and just kind of rub the palms together. And so I'm just going to try that now, which is great. So just in between the palms, give it a little rub, and then from there I'm just going to use my fingers, you see, on both fingers, and just rub through the beard. And you kind of, I'd usually start from the bottom here and then work up to the top. So I'm just going to show you again, I'm just applying a little more on the hand, and you're just rubbing between the palms from there. And I just want to show you kind of how to apply it in the beard. I kind of use my fingers here. You can rub it in and then just apply through the beard again, just to touch up any spots that might have a little bit extra gray or white than the others. So really get into it and get right into the skin as well. I think it's really important to get right down to the skin level, and you can kind of massage it into the beard, and that feels really nice. It smells really nice, and I can really feel it working already. The hydration, I can feel the frizziness in the beard slowly starting to feel softer already, and that's just from immediate application. And so from there, you can put some to your mustache as well. And they actually said you can use this on your eyebrows if you want as well, if you've got like some white eyebrows, which I don't right now, but they said you can use that for hair as well if you need. And again, I'll kind of just show you that I need to kind of at the end of each time to clean it off, just to give you an idea of, you know, even with the color being as it is, it's actually really easy to wipe off. And I'll just show you now. I'm just going to wipe my hands, which were a little bit dark before. And that's it, and off it comes. And you can see it comes off on the paper here. And I'm just going to show you the hands here. I'd probably normally use a bit of soap, but it works fine. Listen, this is really a good product. All of the products which we went through here. I'm just finished up here with talking about the Darkening Beard Balm, a fantastic product. And overall, I really am happy to keep using this product. I think it was really useful, and I hope it was useful for you guys as well. If you want to check out the other videos with the different products and what they do. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and check you guys out soon. Thanks.